we have several examples wherein non-Muslims, they revered the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. They respected the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. We have the example of Michael H. Hart. He writes in his book, The 100 Most Influential Human Beings, and he gives Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the number one position. Out of all the people in human history, he gives Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the number one position. Michael H. Hart, being a non-Muslim, he gives Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the number one position in his book. And he gives his reasoning. And he says that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was the only human being who was supremely successful on the religious as well as the secular fronts. We have the example of Lamartine. He says regarding Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, if greatness of purpose, smallness of means, and astounding results are the three criteria to judge a man's genius, who can dare to compare himself to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? And Lamartine further says regarding Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, that he is an apostle, a legislator, a warrior, conqueror of ideas, the restorer of rational dogma for a cult without images, the founder of 20 earthly empires and one spiritual empire. This was Muhammad, peace be upon him. So even non-Muslims, they revered, loved, and respected the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.